Kendalls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name's Kendall, and today I filmed a holiday drugstore makeup tutorial, and I also filmed this using the Patricia Bright Makeup Revolution Rich in Life palette. So everything that I used for this tutorial was pretty much, for the most part, new drugstore makeup I wanted to play around with also. So yeah, if you're interested in how I got this look, definitely keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you watch my video. A little bit later on, I'm gonna show you how to enter in for my giveaway, so you ain't gonna want to miss that info. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so first product I'm going to be taking for my drugstore makeup look is this Makeup Revolution dark brown. Okay, shade. It's pretty spot on. It blends really nicely. I'm gonna try to film this whole video with this hat on, so I mean, guess we'll see if it stays on my head. I don't know. This is the palette right here, and it is very pretty packaging. Gives a little image on the back of like the shades and everything. The palette comes with 28 shades, and it's just a gorgeous mix of neutrals, warms. It has matte, shimmers, it has little pops of color in here too. Before I get into the palette though, I'm going to prime my lids, and I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Conceal and Define, and this is in the shade 14.5. Oh yeah, that's a good color. It's a really good shade. Honestly, I was a little stressed about the shades just because I didn't really have time to swatch them while I was in the store. I was kind of really just like going off, kind of eyeballing stuff. But I'm going to take all drugstore makeup brushes also. So I'm taking this Morphe M116 brush, and I'm going to prime my eyelids. And I know that this concealer right here was supposed to be a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape when it first came out. Everybody was comparing it to the Tarte Shape Tape. So, I mean, we'll see. Maybe it'll take place of my Milani concealer, because y'all know I've been using that Milani concealer in my past like couple tutorials, and I'm in love with that concealer. So, we'll see how this one does and what I think about it. To prime my face today, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Pore and Blur Primer. The first shade I'm going to dip into from the palette is going to be this Biggest Fan shade right here. And this is really just going to be just a base shade just to help me kind of just ease all my little shades up into here. And I'm going to put this all over my lid because I'm going to be doing just a nice brown smoky eye. This is something I've been doing a lot lately, and so yeah, why not show y'all? So I'm just going to start by packing it all on my lids. I'm literally filming this in the middle of finals week. And so my mind is like on this, but then I'm also kind of like, you know, you should be studying, but I'm telling myself that this is a little study break, you know. So, you know, you gotta have a healthy mix. You know, I gotta stay consistent somehow, right? Gotta get it done at some point. So I'm going to now blend a little bit of brown sugar, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to really just blend that out, make sure all the outer edges are blended out nice and smoothly. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Darlings. It's this gorgeous light shade right here. And I'm going to put that as my brow bone shade. I also put that in my tear duct a little bit later. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and put this right here to highlight my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. And this is in the number, what color did I pick up? 14.5 also. So we will see how this goes. I hope this is the right shade. This applicator is humongous. Look at how big this thing is. Take my Real Techniques Expert Face brush. So, all right, let's see. I'm gonna go back in with that same concealer, and I'm going to take this Morphe Cosmetics blending sponge. Might be cheating on my Milani one with this one from now on. Oh my gosh, I don't know. So I'm going to now take this Airspun loose face powder. I've always wanted to try Airspun ever since high school. Put a little bit of it over here. It comes, it smells just like Johnson & Johnson. Oh my gosh. Ooh. And you can get this from Walmart, Target, I believe. Also, I got mine from the neighborhood Walmart. So, it comes with a little loofah. And so I guess they want me to use the loofah. So I think I'm going to use it with the loofah. I'm going to do the loofah on one side. Then I'm going to try my sponge on the other side. We'll see which one is better. Oh. Just kidding. I'm going to use the loofah on everywhere. I like how that applies it. It applies it so lightly. Oh wow. Techniques. So I'm just going to dust this off and see what I think. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, wow. Alright, now I'm going to finish back up on my eyes. So I'm going to go back in with Darling. I'm not going to let good mascara go to waste. So I am just going to take the one I already got open, which is high-end. But usually I'll take, my favorite mascara is actually a drugstore mascara. It's the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. But unfortunately I'm out of it. But just know in your head that that's what I use. But I am going to take for lashes the Eyelure Jasmine Brown lashes. And these are the Curly Queen Dramatics. So these are also probably my favorite pair of drugstore lashes. And so now I'm going to take my favorite drugstore bronzer. This is the California Beamin' bronzer in the OC. And I'm just going to lightly bronze with that, just a little bit. For my blush shade, I'm going to dip into Pomegranate and Coral. This is from the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali palette. So I'm just going to take a little bit of both of these shades right here, and I'm going to put them on the apples of my cheeks. And I always like to smile when I do this too. Yeah, I'm going to take this Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. It's another oldie but goodie. And I'm going to use that as my highlighting shade. This shade right here, y'all, used to be something I used to use all the doggone time. What, with a highlight like this, you would think I would keep it on my nightstand, put it underneath my pillow type, because it just is just so good. Like, it's just such a good highlighter. This like holiday season is like the one time where I can like highlight my nose and not feel guilty and feel like, you know, like it's the one time I feel like I don't mind if somebody says like you look like Rudolph, because my mom always gets on me about my nose highlight. Like, she cannot stand it. She can't stand it, but I love it. I love it so much. I love a little nose highlight. I ain't saying I don't care what she think about it, but I'm just saying. I am going to take two things. I'm going to take first, this is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Megalast Matte Lipstick in Caramel Cake. And then I'm going to take the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Fudge Lip Gloss. So I'm going to put this kind of like on the outer part of my lips, and then I'm going to pop this in the center. This is my first time using this liquid lip, and feels really lightweight. If I had to compare it to something, I would say it feels kind of like NYX liquid lingeries. That's what it kind of feels like. It's really like lightweight. Don't feel like you have like a lip balm, which I like. So I'm just gonna put this on top. Like, it's one thing for it to be like a nice juicy gloss, but it's another for like the gloss to smell so good, and it does both. Like, I love this, and my lips don't feel like, it's not super sticky or nothing like that, so it's like perfect. It's perfect. So now I am going to set my makeup in place, and this is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Judging by the title, I'm sure you guys guessed it, I'm going to be giving it away in my first ever giveaway. So that's right. So the winner of my giveaway will be receiving their own, not this one because this one's mine. I got another one for you. You're going to be getting your own Rich in Life palette, so you can show it off, love it just as much as I do. And also you're going to be getting the lashes that I put on today. Another pair of Jasmine Brown lashes. A little Shane Dawson mini Controversy palette. So I'm going to tell you guys how to enter in for my giveaway. You have to, 1, yourself be subscribed to my channel. 2, you have to get somebody else to subscribe to my channel. It can be your mama, your grandmama, your granddaddy, your ex-best friend, your new best friend. I don't care who it is for the day of the week. You have to get somebody else. And then the first person that guesses my favorite Christmas song in the comment box will win my holiday giveaway. And definitely make sure you stay tuned for my next video, because that's when I'm going to announce the winner. I will give y'all a hint. The song is featured in a holiday movie. So, okay, that might actually not be helpful, because I mean, they do put like a holiday song in like every Hallmark and Lifetime movie. Oh well, best of luck. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, Ken dolls. Christmas tree.